When it comes to ensuring energy efficiency in HVAC systems, there are several key factors to consider. One important aspect is the use of a heat pump, which can help to efficiently heat or cool a space by transferring heat between the indoors and outdoors. Properly installed ductwork is also essential for maximizing energy efficiency, as leaks or blockages can lead to energy loss. Regular maintenance, including air duct cleaning, can further improve the efficiency of the system by ensuring that air can flow freely throughout the space. Another important component of energy efficiency in HVAC systems is the thermostat. A programmable thermostat can help to regulate the temperature in a space, reducing energy waste by only heating or cooling when necessary. By paying attention to these factors and investing in energy-efficient solutions, you can improve the overall efficiency of your HVAC system. I recently worked with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and they helped me with all of these aspects of energy efficiency in my HVAC system. Their expertise and attention to detail made a significant difference in the performance of my system, and I highly recommend their services for anyone looking to improve the energy efficiency of their HVAC system. When it comes to HVAC systems in Jacksonville, Florida, there are a few common problems that homeowners may encounter. Proper HVAC maintenance is essential to prevent issues such as poor air quality, inefficient ventilation systems, and the need for emergency HVAC services. Regular HVAC maintenance can help ensure that your system is running smoothly and efficiently, while also helping to improve air quality in your home. One common issue that homeowners may face is poor air quality, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as dust, pollen, and other allergens. An HVAC professional can conduct air quality testing to identify any issues and recommend solutions to improve the air quality in your home. Another common problem is a faulty ventilation system, which can lead to poor air circulation and uneven heating or cooling throughout your home. Proper HVAC installation and maintenance can help ensure that your ventilation system is working properly and efficiently. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida helped me with everything I just mentioned, providing excellent service and expertise in HVAC installation, ventilation systems, air quality testing, and emergency HVAC services. Their team of professionals was able to address all of my HVAC needs quickly and efficiently. When it comes to HVAC trends and innovations, there are several key areas to focus on. One important aspect is the use of central air conditioning systems, which are becoming more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Another trend is the advancement in heating systems, with a focus on improving efficiency and reducing carbon footprint. Commercial HVAC solutions are also evolving to meet the changing needs of businesses. Bold City Heating and Air, an HVAC contractor in Jacksonville, Florida, has been at the forefront of these trends and innovations. Their expertise in HVAC repair and installation has helped me navigate the complexities of central air conditioning and heating system upgrades. Additionally, their knowledge of commercial HVAC systems has been invaluable in ensuring that my business remains comfortable and cost-effective. Overall, Bold City Heating and Air has proven to be a reliable partner in staying up to date with the latest HVAC trends and innovations. Their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets them apart in the industry. When considering the impact of climate on HVAC needs, it is important to understand how different weather conditions can affect the performance and efficiency of your residential HVAC system. Extreme temperatures, high humidity levels, and fluctuating weather patterns can all put a strain on your HVAC system, leading to potential issues that may require HVAC tune-up, replacement, or humidifier installation. Regular HVAC tune-ups are essential to ensure that your system is running smoothly and efficiently, especially in areas with varying climate conditions like Jacksonville, Florida. In some cases, HVAC replacement may be necessary to upgrade to a more energy-efficient system that can better handle the climate demands of the region. Additionally, humidifier installation may be recommended to help maintain optimal humidity levels in your home, especially during the hot and humid summers in Jacksonville, Florida. I recently reached out to Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida for assistance with my residential HVAC needs, and they were able to provide expert guidance and solutions to ensure that my system was able to effectively combat the impact of the local climate. When it comes to HVAC systems, understanding the importance of proper sizing is crucial. An HVAC system that is too small will struggle to adequately heat or cool your home, while one that is too large will cycle on and off frequently, leading to inefficient operation and unnecessary wear and tear. To ensure optimal performance and energy efficiency, it is essential to work with a qualified HVAC technician who can determine the correct system size for your home. Factors such as square footage, insulation, and climate all play a role in determining the appropriate size for your HVAC system. A professional HVAC inspection can help assess these factors and ensure that your system is properly sized for your specific needs. Additionally, considerations such as dehumidifier needs, thermostat installation, and the potential benefits of a ductless mini-split system may all impact the sizing requirements for your HVAC system. I recently worked with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, who helped me navigate the complexities of HVAC system sizing. Their expertise and attention to detail ensured that my HVAC system was perfectly tailored to my home, providing efficient and effective heating and cooling year-round. When it comes to ensuring clean and healthy indoor air quality, there are several key components to consider. A well-designed zoning system can help regulate the temperature in different areas of your home, while an air filtration system can remove pollutants and allergens from the air. UV light installation can also help eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses, improving the overall air quality in your home. For those looking to invest in a new HVAC system, HVAC financing options can make it more affordable to upgrade to a more energy-efficient system. Geothermal HVAC systems are a sustainable option that can help reduce your carbon footprint while providing reliable heating and cooling. I recently worked with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and they helped me navigate the world of indoor air quality and HVAC systems. They provided expert advice on zoning systems, air filtration, UV light installation, HVAC financing, and geothermal HVAC options to help me make the best choice for my home. Their knowledge and professionalism made the process smooth and stress-free. When it comes to ensuring optimal home comfort, the HVAC system plays a crucial role. From regulating the temperature to improving indoor air quality, a well-maintained HVAC system can make a significant difference in the overall comfort of your home. Regular maintenance tasks such as AC tune-ups, boiler repairs, and smart thermostat installations are essential to keep your HVAC system running efficiently. In addition to routine maintenance, having an HVAC service agreement in place can provide you with peace of mind knowing that your system is being taken care of by professionals. In case of any HVAC emergency repair needs, having a reliable service provider to turn to is essential for quick and efficient solutions. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and I must say that their expertise in HVAC services is truly commendable. From smart thermostat installations to boiler repairs, they were able to address all of my HVAC needs promptly and effectively. Their HVAC service agreement also helped me stay on top of regular maintenance tasks, ensuring that my system continues to operate smoothly. For any HVAC emergency repair needs, I highly recommend reaching out to Bold City Heating and Air for their exceptional service. When it comes to HVAC regulations and compliance in Jacksonville, Florida, it is important to understand the various aspects involved. This includes HVAC cost estimation, Energy Star HVAC requirements, HVAC troubleshooting protocols, HVAC warranty coverage, and establishing a proper HVAC service schedule. Ensuring that your HVAC system meets all the necessary regulations and compliance standards is crucial for maintaining a safe and efficient environment. I recently sought the expertise of Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, to assist me with navigating through the complexities of HVAC regulations and compliance. The team at Bold City Heating and Air not only provided me with valuable information regarding HVAC cost estimation and Energy Star HVAC guidelines but also helped me troubleshoot any issues with my HVAC system. Additionally, they explained the importance of having a warranty in place and establishing a regular service schedule to keep my HVAC system running smoothly. Their knowledge and expertise in HVAC regulations and compliance were truly invaluable.